In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a specific app notification sound on any Android phone. Open your settings, scroll down, go in apps, go in manage apps or all apps. I will search here Instagram because I want to change the notification sound of Instagram. Simply scroll down, go in notifications, again scroll down, go in Instagram direct, tap on sound, scroll down. Here you get the sound categories: love, instrumental, message and party. I am selecting the message category. Here you get the different type of messages sounds. I am selecting this one, so I will simply tap on this bell icon, tap on OK. As you can see, notification sound is applied for this specific app. So this is how you can change a specific app notification sound on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.